Hey people, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to check your trophy progress on any game. First what you want to do is head up here to your profile and come down to trophy, or you can press the PlayStation button on your control pad and then come down to your profile here, and again come to trophies. Now when you're on the trophies page, you'll have all your games listed and you want to select the games what you want to see the progress on. So here we'll select Gran Turismo 7 and this is the list of all 54 trophies. However, if you come to the left here and select this little toggle, you can sort the trophies by different settings. However, let's come back over to the trophies and select this Living Your Car Life. When you click it, you'll be able to watch your achievement. I'll give you a bit of detail. However, you can select View All Details and this will give you much more detail about the trophy. And that is how to check your trophy progress on your PS5. Hope that video was helpful, and if it was, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.